Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini Trading Room recap for the 14th of January, Monday, and today was another fun day in the markets. Basically we opened a little lower, bought up, and just kind of just chopped around up here, and then we finally started selling off, and then we bought up a little bit, sold a little and bought back up. So, a little choppy towards the end of the first session. We made 3 trades today, working inside of a maximum profit potential of 5 points, and actual entries and exits we pulled 4 3/4 points out of the market today. So not too bad on the day. Our first trade, we got short over here, and on this you can barely see this little candle here, but we got short over here and took profit down here in this region. You see this candle went all the way down to 475. We took profit down here towards the bottom, and then we kind of just watched the market. It came back up, came back down, back up, back down, and after it came down here to match the low, it came back up and down again, and then it actually started selling. Started selling. And when the market started moving higher, we grabbed a long over here, exited over here in this candle, and then the market got a little choppy, bought up a little bit more. We did grab a short over here, and wanted to add to it up here, but it never made it up, and then it started selling off. So took profit on this down move here, and then we watched the market come right back up and chop around. So that gave us 3 great trades, 4 3/4 points. Not that bad at all. Let's say round down to 4 points. At $50 a point, you're looking at $200 for 2.5 hours worth of watching the screens. So it's definitely not too bad. And I think day trading is something that the industry kind of has given a bad name. Especially in the 90s, a lot of people became day traders. And in the late 90s, you really didn't need to be a stock picker. You could just throw darts at a dartboard and pick stocks that way, because everything was kind of going up. And then after that tech bubble burst, everything just the floor just dropped out from under all those inflated stocks, and they all crashed. A lot of people made money and lost money. They've made fortunes and lost fortunes at within the same decade, which is pretty crazy. And we've had times like that as well. I think 06, and then during the crash, you really could be short anything. And that stuff like that does give day trading a bad name. I think it's fairly easy to get to day trade, and I say that with a grain of salt, because my version of easy is not a lot of other people's version of easy. Trading is hard work. It's difficult. You have to study a lot. You have to learn a lot, and you have to have a lot of screen time. And but having other people that know how to trade, you're able to learn from them, learn from their mistakes. And you can't learn everybody's mistake. You can learn certain ones, and others you have to make yourself. And that's just part of life. And depending on who you are as a person depends on what mistakes you have to make, and then what mistakes you can learn from others. And that's what trading's all about. Everyone's different. Everyone's going to trade differently. Everyone's going to act differently. But it is what it is. And trading is something that once you grasp it, it becomes easy. it becomes boring, but it becomes easy. And that's when you know that you can be a success at trading. You know, when you put away all the BS that's out there, and you focus and know that you can be good at it. And it really does give you a lot of time freedom as well. You know, when you are trading, you're dedicated, you're focused, but then when you leave the trading, you can do other stuff. You don't have to think about it. You know, what's this trade doing? What's this trade doing? Because as a day trader, you're in and out, and you don't have to worry. And you know, that's one of the great things that I like about it. You know, it's a lot of fun for me, and that's, you know, one of the things that encouraged me to do the website. That and a couple friends, and it's, you know, been awesome ever since. So, you know, hope you got something out of today's talk. Thanks for watching the video. I definitely appreciate it. You know, love all the support. Of course, if you want to leave a comment, you can leave it under the video, or you can go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/abusinesswithtrading, and you can definitely leave questions and comments on there as well. So, thanks a lot for watching the video. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.